years ago. You captured my heart by being exactly who you are, and the sweetest, most loving, compassionate, and sensitive person I have ever known.
To my palagi, mahal, always remember that when I say I love you more, I don't mean I love you more than you love me. What I mean is, I love you more than the bad days ahead of us. I love you more than any fight we will have. And I love you more than any obstacle that could try and come between us. Heart, soul, and body intertwined.
In poverty, I promise to do everything to make our love rich, and in wealth, to never let our love grow poor. Together, we are better than we could ever hope to be alone. And today, I give you my love, my trust. You will always be the best part of my day. I love you.
Hindi man araw-araw masaya, hindi man araw-araw mahal natin ang isa't isa, palagi mong tandaan na mas pipiliin kita sa araw-araw na mahirap kang mahalin at intindihin. Pipiliin pa din kita sa araw-araw through our thick and thin. At lagi mong tandaan na palagi ako nakasuporta at nandito para sa'yo. I promise to love you till the end of time. Heart, soul, and body intertwined. You and I, love divine. You and I, divine.
Hawakan mo ang kamay ko nang napakahigpit. Pakinggan mo ang tinig ko. Di mo ba pansin na ikaw at ako, tayo'y pinagtagpo. Ikaw at ako, di na muling magkakalayo. ako. Tayo'y pinagtagpo. Ikaw at ako. Di na muling magkakalayo. Ikaw at ako. Tayo'y pinagtagpo.